Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to disable a broken scroll wheel on an optical mouse. This doesn't work on all models. This is a GFM notebook mouse. It's easily portable. It's about 3.5 inches long by 2 inches wide. So it's useful for on-the-go programming and that sort of thing. Now, the method how to do this is you remove this screw in here, and of course before we do anything we will remove the power source from the mouse using a Phillips head. Typically remove the screw. Alright, make sure to set the screw aside so we're safe. Alright. Then, with a flathead screwdriver, you gently wedge apart the case, like that. And it's usually just a fairly simple matter of pulling back and prying up on the top of the mouse to remove it. That exposes the insides of the mouse. You've got button 1, button 3, scroll wheel, and button 2, which is under the scroll wheel right here. And this is the potentiometer, which actuates the scrolling on the mouse. It's easily removed from the main part of the mouse, and just remove the scroll wheel. Typically when you open these kinds of mice, what you'll find is some sort of mechanism to engage on the potentiometer. This one had a tiny little hex head here with a mating hex head right here. Now, the reason I did this in the first place was I broke this mouse. I had it in a bag, and I dropped the bag full of books on the table, not realizing that it was being squished down and bent. So, it didn't work very well after that, so I figured might as well go ahead and at least get at least one thing working properly. In order to fix it without damaging the plastic, what I had to do was I had to melt it. That provides a relatively secure grain structure in the plastic. And I just used a simple Bic lighter to form the plastic. I ended up with an approximately 60-degree tip on the plastic. I guess you could go with a straight circle on the inside of the plastic. However, it was easiest to form a angle on the tip. And it will probably ride better in the socket, so you might want to go that way. It's fairly simple to replace the scroll wheel in it, unless you made the angle a little too long, which I did. You just pop the wheel back in the mouse. Make sure you get the tip inside that little hex head, and make sure you get the wheel itself on the runners for the wheel. After that, all you have to do is replace the top of the mouse. Make sure you click it back into place. Replace the screw. and tighten it. And that's it.